It's Saturday afternoon, and I have to admit that I did something stupid, and some of these baby rabbits have paid the price. When I put the new bedding in this morning, I really thought that I had it low enough so they couldn't jump out or accidentally fall out. You will remember me even tamping it down and reworking some of the bedding so that it was low enough they wouldn't fall out. But they fell out anyways. I found 3 kits out of the nest, 2 of them over here. I believe 1 was over there. I put them back in, but there are only now, I think, 7. So 2 are gone somewhere else, and I've looked all around the cage area, and I can't find them. I've looked in the cage, I've looked around and under, and one of them is the... Oh! Look! Here's one right here. It's one of the white ones. Come here, little baby. Okay. It looks like it has blood on it from a chicken, I would presume. Can you guys see what I'm seeing? Oh, and we also have kittens out here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing the adopted kit from Zuzu, and with chickens and cats out here, I don't know where it would be. I guess I couldn't find that other one till I was just looking, but that one was white and easily spotted. This other more orangey one that would blend in a little bit more would... Oh, I don't know. I know, Lehman. Don't eat the baby bunny, okay? Don't eat him. Don't eat him, please. I've been looking around a bit more, and I still can't see it. So, I guess that ends that adoption. I'm going to take out a whole bunch of hay. I really thought I had done an okay job, but obviously I thought wrong. I've been doing this for years. You would think I would know. Okay. There's now very unlikely chance that the babies are going to jump out of there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh! Look at this! Look who I just found in the back corner of the nest box in a little area that I couldn't see before because it was blocked by straw. It's our little adopted baby! So I was completely wrong. Oh, thank you, dear Lord. Thank you that they're all okay. Okay, so my misstep, my complete ruination of the normalcy of this litter is fixed. And the only problems we have from my mess up are 2 little wounds on that white baby who fell out. But considering what could have happened, I think that's pretty okay. It'll probably heal up just fine, and they'll all be alright. So now that the problem is fixed, I'm gonna put them back and check back tonight. Time for the evening check. Come on, Nummy. Please, Zsholtie, please move. Oh my gosh. I'll be so glad when I can exercise you guys again. Things aren't looking that good. 1 dead baby, the Cambria color one. 2 dead babies, the really pretty lilac colored one. This baby's alive. It has some weird greenish yellow poopy stuff on it. I might wipe it off with one little hand. Zsholtie, I'm trying to clean your baby's bottom off. Leave me alone, please. Okay, that's a little bit better. Another alive baby with some nasty goop on its bottom. Orange baby is dead. Little adopted baby is dead. White baby is alive and full. Oh my gosh, chocolate baby's alive and very, very full. Second white baby is not alive, and this one's the one with the wounded paw. I'm assuming it was overheating. It did get into the 100 and teens today, so I guess it's understandable. So 4 left. 2 of them looking pretty okay, full and acting pretty normal. 2 of them with really nasty poops and looking skinny, and like this one especially looks like it's gonna probably die. This one I'm kind of on the fence about. Is this Patchy one? No, maybe it's not. I don't know. No, this is little Tort one. Is this Patchy one? Yeah, this is Patchy. Patchy isn't looking so great. So, not very good news, but better than them all being dead. Good Sunday morning. Can you guys believe that these babies are over a week old? And that some of them are still alive? Okay, I see only 3 babies. Is there a 4th one somewhere else? We had 4 yesterday, didn't we? It's been just a few seconds for you, but it's been a whole day for me, so I don't remember it as well. But I think we did have a 4th one. Zsholtie, just leave me alone, please. Alright, let's, I guess, check these 3, and then search for that 4th one. Look at this belly! Look how huge it is, that's awesome! Look at this big belly! And these kits are kind of cold. It's been really cool this morning. Much cooler than usual. Look at this good belly. So, Patchy baby and little Tort baby and Chocolate baby are all okay. So, we still have cats and a dog who could have eaten it. Alright, Fang, move please. I need to check under you. Good boy. Thankfully, it's white, so it'll be easier to see than like a brown colored one. Do you see anything, Lehman? You don't seem bloody or anything. Oh, thank you, dear Heavenly Father. Look what I just found. It's on the other side of the fence, safe from cats and dogs. For now, Lehman. Not allowed. It's an alive, full little white bunny. So I guess we're at that stage where they're going to be jumping out. I guess they are more than a week old. Their eyes could be opening in a day or 2. So we shall add you back with your siblings. Would you stop eating their bedding? I give you fresh greens twice a day and food scraps like watermelon rinds and banana peels and delicious stuff. There's no reason you need to eat this peed on, dried, nasty old grass. Okay, I might come check on these babies way more often than I have been, because there seems to be a lot of problems happening with them. We're leaving for church this morning, so I have to be gone for that. But as soon as we get back around lunchtime, I'm going to definitely come check on these babies, maybe check on them once or twice this afternoon, as well as my evening checking. So we're going to be helicopter parents over these babies so that we don't lose any more if I can help it. Well, at least these past few videos have been interesting. I guess if I just had a regular normal litter with no weird things happening, I wouldn't have many interesting things to film about, and my videos wouldn't be as long or as cool, and you guys wouldn't be able to watch them and be entertained and learn stuff, and also I wouldn't be paid as much, even though the money I'll probably make on these videos will be very small. And I guess I'm also so blessed because with all the craziness that's happened, we still have 4 full babies who I've been able to find twice when they've escaped the nest box. I found them all, none of them have been dead, and Zsholtie's still feeding them, so there's still a decent chance that some of them might continue to live. So I guess all in all, we're not having that bad of a time. Definitely not as bad as the past few litters.